So they will now get into the oval. They will be circling the oval actually. The grade 4 level, the red horse has now entered the oval.
Followed by the kindergarten, the orange lion.
This is actually the first time that we're able to use the Talisay City Oval.
Yes.
And with that, of course, we would like to thank the Talisay City Sports Commission for allowing us to use the oval today.
Yes, and of course to our Mayor, Honorable Samsung Bullias, for this oval that we will be using here in Talisay City Central for our Tigers!
Again, we kindly request our parents to kindly stay on the sides. Again, requesting the parents right here na mustay sa tasadap clean lang sa sides. Kay, of course, we will have to prioritize our learners.